Want to completely transform your backyard into a private oasis without spending a fortune? Today I'm showing you 10 incredible Dollar Tree trellis hacks that will help you build a stunning privacy fence that looks straight out of a designer magazine. These are easy, budget-friendly ideas that anyone can do, whether you have a small patio or a large backyard, and the results will truly wow your neighbors and guests. Before we dive in, welcome to Timeless Gardening. If you love simple, affordable, and creative ways to upgrade your outdoor space, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new garden hack. I want to know, where are you watching from today? Drop your city or state in the comments because I love connecting with viewers from all over while we explore these DIY ideas together. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Classic vertical trellis for instant privacy. The simplest way to start building your backyard privacy fence is with a classic vertical trellis. Using Dollar Tree lattice panels, you can create a sleek, elegant screen that instantly blocks unwanted views while still letting air and light through. Start by measuring the area you want to cover, and choose panels that fit the height you need. You can secure them directly into the ground using stakes, or attach them to wooden posts for extra stability. Once installed, this setup creates a clean, uniform look that instantly elevates your outdoor space without spending a fortune. Painting or staining the panels in a color that matches your backyard aesthetic will make it look polished and professionally designed. What's great about this hack is its versatility. You can use it as a freestanding fence, a corner screen, or even section off areas like a patio or garden bed. It's a perfect foundation for adding climbing plants or hanging decorative accents, which can take the look from simple to stunning in just a few touches. Plus, because the panels are lightweight and easy to handle, even beginners can tackle this project without any special tools. Imagine a backyard where you can enjoy complete privacy while adding a charming vertical element that makes your outdoor area feel bigger and more inviting. This classic trellis is the perfect place to start. Hack number 2. Hanging plant trellis for vertical gardens. Take your backyard privacy fence to the next level by turning a Dollar Tree trellis into a hanging plant display. This hack not only adds privacy but also brings life and color to your space. Start by attaching sturdy hooks or S-hooks along the top edge of your trellis. Then, hang lightweight pots or planters filled with your favorite trailing plants, herbs, or flowers. This setup creates a living wall effect, giving you the dual benefit of a functional privacy screen and a vibrant vertical garden that draws the eye and softens the look of any plain fence. What makes this hack so exciting is the endless customization options. You can mix and match plant types for a textured, layered look or rotate seasonal blooms to keep your backyard fresh year-round. It's also perfect for small spaces. Your fence becomes a vertical garden, maximizing greenery without taking up valuable ground space. Plus, the hanging elements can easily be removed or rearranged, making it a flexible solution for renters or anyone who likes to switch things up. This simple Dollar Tree upgrade instantly turns a basic trellis into a lush, inviting feature that adds charm, color, and privacy all at once. Hack number 3. Modular privacy fence for maximum coverage. If you're looking for a privacy solution that's both practical and flexible, this modular trellis fence hack is perfect. Using multiple Dollar Tree lattice panels, you can connect them side by side with zip ties, brackets, or even simple hooks to create a continuous barrier. The beauty of this approach is that you can easily adjust the layout to fit your backyard shape or change the configuration whenever you want. Whether you need a long stretch along a property line or a cozy corner around your patio, this modular system adapts to your space while giving the illusion of a professionally built fence without the hefty price tag. Beyond privacy, this hack allows you to get creative with design. You can stagger panels to create visual interest, paint each section a slightly different color for a playful look, or layer panels to add texture and depth. Adding climbing plants or decorative elements like lanterns or garden ornaments enhances both function and style. The modular nature also makes it easy to repair or replace individual panels if they get damaged, so you're not stuck replacing an entire fence. This hack gives you the freedom to create a beautiful, tailor-made backyard barrier that's as versatile as it is budget-friendly. Hack number 4. Trellis with climbing vines for a lush look. Turn a simple Dollar Tree trellis into a living green privacy wall by training climbing plants along it. Fast-growing vines like morning glories, sweet peas, or even ivy can quickly cover the panels, creating a natural, soft screen that not only adds privacy, but also brings life and texture to your backyard. Start by securing your trellis in the desired spot and planting your chosen vines at the base. Use ties, clips, or even twine to gently guide the plants as they grow upward, ensuring they stay attached to the trellis while maintaining a neat, organized appearance. What makes this hack truly stunning is the combination of function and beauty. Over time, the trellis transforms from a plain structure into a vibrant, living wall that enhances your outdoor space and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. You can mix different types of climbing plants for a layered effect or rotate seasonal flowers to keep the display fresh year-round. This approach also works well along property lines, patios, or garden beds, providing privacy while adding a rich natural element to your backyard. With just a few Dollar Tree panels and the right plants, you can achieve a professional-looking, lush privacy fence that feels alive and inviting. Hack number 5. Corner privacy screens for cozy nooks. Creating a private corner in your backyard doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With just 2 Dollar Tree trellis panels joined at a right angle, you can design a charming corner screen that provides both privacy and structure. Start by securing the panels to sturdy posts or stakes, making sure the angle is tight and stable. This setup is perfect for hiding unsightly areas, defining a small seating nook, or creating a secluded spot for your garden or patio furniture. You can even add planters at the base or wrap the panels with lightweight fabric to enhance the cozy, intimate feel. The beauty of this hack is how versatile it is. Beyond privacy, corner screens can serve as a decorative focal point or a backdrop for hanging lights, lanterns, or outdoor art. You can also attach climbing vines or trailing plants to soften the edges and add greenery. This method works well in small and large spaces alike, turning previously unused corners into inviting functional areas. With just a few inexpensive trellis panels, you can instantly create a private, stylish retreat in your backyard that looks intentional and well-designed without spending a fortune. Hack number 6. Freestanding garden trellis for flexible privacy. If you want privacy without committing to a permanent fence, a freestanding trellis is a perfect solution. Using Dollar Tree lattice panels, you can build a lightweight structure that can be placed anywhere in your backyard, whether along a patio, near a pool, or even as a movable divider for your garden. Start by attaching the panels to sturdy stakes or a simple wooden frame, ensuring the base is stable enough to withstand wind. This approach gives you the freedom to change the layout of your backyard whenever you like, creating temporary partitions or defining specific areas without the hassle of digging or installing permanent posts. What makes this hack so appealing is how customizable it is. You can add decorative touches like paint, faux greenery, or even lightweight hanging planters to match your backyard style. Freestanding trellises are also ideal for renters or anyone who wants privacy without altering the property permanently. By combining multiple panels, you can create larger screens or even form unique shapes to guide the flow of your outdoor space. The simple Dollar Tree upgrade transforms ordinary lattice panels into a functional, versatile privacy feature that looks intentional, stylish, and high-end, all on a budget. Hack number 7. Trellis with storage hooks for function and style. Why settle for a privacy screen that only blocks views when you can add functionality too? By attaching hooks or small brackets to a Dollar Tree trellis, you can create a space that holds garden tools, hanging lanterns, or decorative items while still serving as an elegant privacy fence. Start by choosing a trellis panel in the height and width that fits your space, then evenly space hooks along the top or sides. This simple addition transforms your trellis into a multi-purpose feature that keeps your backyard organized while adding vertical interest. The best part of this hack is its versatility and adaptability. You can change what hangs on the trellis seasonally: holiday lights, potted plants, or even wind chimes, giving your backyard a fresh look throughout the year. It also makes your space feel more intentional and personalized rather than just a plain fence. Whether you're looking to maximize storage in a small garden or simply add charming decorative elements to a larger outdoor area, This trellis upgrade offers both practicality and aesthetic appeal. With just a few Dollar Tree materials, you can create a stylish, functional, and budget-friendly backyard feature that's as useful as it is beautiful. Hack number 8. Trellis fence panels with outdoor lighting. If you want your backyard to feel warm, inviting, and visually striking after the sun goes down, integrating outdoor lighting into your Dollar Tree trellis panels is a game changer. Start by securing your lattice panels as usual, either vertically or in a modular configuration along your fence line. Then weave waterproof string lights, fairy lights, or small LED lanterns through the openings of the trellis. This simple addition immediately elevates the look of your privacy fence, transforming it from a functional barrier into a captivating focal point that draws attention and creates ambiance. The soft glow filtering through the lattice pattern adds depth, highlights the structure, and creates a cozy, magical vibe for evening gatherings or quiet nights outdoors. What makes this hack especially impressive is the combination of practicality and aesthetic appeal. Not only does the trellis provide privacy during the day, but the integrated lighting extends its functionality into the evening, turning your backyard into an outdoor oasis. You can customize the lighting pattern, wrap lights around the edges for a clean, uniform glow, or crisscross them for a layered, whimsical effect. Pair it with climbing plants or decorative accents to make the trellis look even more intentional and high-end. With this approach, a simple Dollar Tree trellis becomes a standout feature that enhances both the beauty and usability of your backyard, making it feel cozy, stylish, and professionally designed without spending a fortune. Hack number 9. Decorative lattice panels for high-end appeal. Transform a simple Dollar Tree trellis into a show-stopping feature by layering and decorating lattice panels in creative ways. Start by attaching 2 or more panels slightly offset from each other to add depth and texture, or cut panels into shapes and patterns to create a custom design that reflects your style. You can paint them in bold or neutral colors depending on your backyard aesthetic, or even add stenciled designs for a personal touch. This hack is perfect if you want a fence that looks far more expensive than it actually is. Your guests won't believe these are affordable, store-bought panels. By thinking beyond just functionality, you can turn an ordinary trellis into a statement piece that elevates your entire outdoor space. The versatility of this hack is what makes it so powerful. Use decorative lattice panels along property lines, around patios, or even as a backdrop for an outdoor seating area. Layering panels also allows you to create a semi-private effect, enough to block the view but still let light and air flow through. Add climbing plants, hanging decor, or seasonal embellishments to enhance the dimensional look and make it feel lush and intentional. With a little creativity and some Dollar Tree materials, you can build a privacy fence that doesn't just serve a purpose but also becomes a focal point of your backyard, combining charm, style, and affordability all in one. Hack number 10. DIY privacy hedge with trellis panels. For a natural and lush privacy fence, turn Dollar Tree trellis panels into the framework for a DIY hedge. Start by securing the panels in planters or directly into the ground along your desired boundary. Plant dense greenery like boxwood, holly, or even fast-growing vines at the base. Then train the foliage to grow along the panels. Over time, your trellis will become hidden behind a living wall of leaves, creating a soft, natural barrier that blends seamlessly with your backyard landscape. This hack combines the structure of a trellis with the beauty and fullness of a hedge, giving you complete privacy while maintaining a visually appealing, organic look. What's great about this hack is how customizable and low cost it can be. You can mix different types of plants to create layers of color and texture, or rotate seasonal flowers to keep the hedge fresh and vibrant throughout the year. The panels provide support and shape for the greenery, ensuring it grows evenly and looks intentional rather than wild or overgrown. This approach is ideal for larger backyard spaces, garden borders, or even small patio enclosures. With just a few Dollar Tree panels and some strategic planting, you can achieve the look of a professional high-end hedge fence without the hefty price tag, turning your backyard into a private, serene retreat. And there you have it. 10 incredible Dollar Tree trellis hacks to build a stunning backyard privacy fence that looks high-end without draining your wallet. From classic vertical screens to living hedges, modular fences, and even trellises with lights or storage, these ideas show just how versatile and creative you can get with budget-friendly materials. Each hack is easy to customize, giving your backyard personality, style, and the privacy you've been dreaming of. Which of these hacks are you most excited to try in your own backyard? Drop your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear how you plan to transform your space. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Timeless Gardening, and hit the bell so you never miss a new garden hack. And if you love these ideas, share this video with friends or family who could use some backyard inspiration too. Keep watching, because next week I'll be showing even more Dollar Tree garden tricks to make your outdoor space cozy, stylish, and totally unique.